as we speak, I believe, to your credit, Your Excellency, those who have appointed to manage the CBN, they have shown that that spark was meant to give a signal that ultimately it will continue to come down. That has not happened before. Once the foreign exchange goes up, Nigeria has no history of the currency appreciating again. Today, as I speak, I believe it is now 1,500. I would like to be sure whether you are monitoring the market. So it is going down every day, and unless you are very correct, and if you are not doing a bookie, you won't know what it is. I want to find out how you do it. So it shows that under your leadership, the true logic of market, up and down, is prevailing, not downward trend continuously and endlessly. That has redeemed my hope. And for Nigerians who were worried about a country in which, if you are connected with the president or connected with the governor of central bank, he allocates to you 50 million naira, you can become 30 million naira rich within 24 hours. That rent that prepared the dual market, God has given you the courage to wipe it off. There is now a relationship between effort and reward. As a worker, sir, that is the basis for encouraging everyone that if you work, you will earn. Connection will no longer be the basis for wealth or for poverty. Number two, as I listened to my brother, my comrade, Gary yesterday, narrating what has changed in Zamfara. When I spoke on the Senate, that was the place I was referring to. When I spoke to his predecessor about the danger we're facing here. Under your leadership, there's a testimony. I am not a pastor, I'm a Catholic. We don't do testimonies, but we do confession to our priests. I think that was very fitting and courageous of him to say that yes, we haven't wiped out all insecurity, but a lot has changed, and a lot is changing under your command, as Commander-in-Chief. And I can speak to several other things. I am able to go to my constituency and say the worst is over. It is not endless price increase. What you pay for price and for rice in December is much better now, just 2 months later. If things continue to go down, Mr. President, Nigerians will beg you, there will be 2 million man march that as what you must stay. Extension is in our own national interest. So I rise to support this motion and urge us that we are also the ambassadors of the party. We are all spokesmen of the party. We must market what we do. The opposition's business is to demarket the ruling party. That's a legitimate business. I did it before. And Mr. President, we did it before. So now, God has done it. We have to promote what we are doing right and remind them what they did wrong. We remind them that yes, power is not completely stable. You are working on it. You are working on the taxation system. Because the basic lessons in leadership is that don't say this is how I met it, this is how I left it. Which is why your reform proposals on taxation has against the whole country, even those who are not within the tax bracket. Any leader can take decisions that can challenge the citizens to think, to debate, I believe in contestation, and eventually to arrive at a consensus. That is not a leader. And I think nobody said it better than the vice president when he said, if you want to be popular, go and be selling ice cream. That goes to your record, sir. And ice cream people will be stoned when diabetes starts because of too much sugar that you have been giving people. But a mixture is what keeps life going. So, on behalf of myself, as a former chairman of this party, a former governor of Edo State, now a distinguished senator of the Federal Republic, and chairman of the Interior, country of the October Senate President, I rise to endorse the motion as moved by Governor Bo. And I invite members of the young group, or not the elders of elders. I invite my colleague members of the National Working Committee to endorse this motion wholeheartedly and to commend APC governors who, while Governor Hope talked about 70,000, Lagos is paying 85,000. Many APC governors have decided to pay more, which used to be the case when I was NSC president. So the governors are also making you proud.